all the hard work, sacrifices, and the hard determination that brought you to this incredible moment.
Lahat ng pagpupuyat mo at pag-aaral sa gabi ay nagbubunga din.
You work hard for this, and it has paid off. I'm so proud of you. I've witnessed your commitment, hard work, determination, and passion.
I'm really proud of you, and I know how much hard work and sacrifice you put into this, reaching this goal, and seeing you achieve it inspired me.
Alam din namin ang pagre-review mo sa Intite ay hindi madali, mahirap, pero alam namin na kakayanin mo kasi alam namin ang kapasidad mo.
I am deeply proud of you, not only for your achievement, but for the strength and commitment you have shown throughout this journey.